Hey, welcome back to the series of ranking production from most affordable to the most expensive. Now we are moving on to the in-house production. I'm sure a lot of made-to-order or made-to-measure brands already have in-house production, but this one is another step. This is in-house production, but you're now mass producing for your ready-to-wear market, because you can still have in-house production but on a smaller scale where you have 1 or 2 or 3 tailors. But this other one actually needs you to have a bigger investment, and it's about 300,000 to 1 million at least, to just cover the basic costs, because you still have recurring costs like salaries and all that. And a lot of people move into in-house production after they've been doing ready to wear with outsourcing for a while, and they feel like now they have the orders to sustain them having their production in-house. This is also the stage where some people start they're ready to wear collections and also produce for other people to be able to cover costs, because I know a lot of people who are making clothes for other people, producing for other people. A lot of them started at this level. It was a way to just, you know, get things going. Some continue inevitably and have a whole branch where they offer production to other brands and then also have production for theirs. And then there are some who completely stop making theirs and make for other people, and then there are some who completely don't make for other people and only make for themselves. It really depends on how far you are. This one really needs you to be established, because you need those sales. You need those sales because, don't forget, the bigger the scale, the bigger the problems of the scale. So you'll have staff problems, you'll have leftover, what is it called? You will have pieces that don't move. At least by this time you will even know which sizes really move, how many pieces really move, which designs really do well. You'll have your staples, and you'll have the time to be able to start experimenting and things like that. You have to start advertising in trade shows and things like that. So it definitely needs more money, because you also need to do more marketing. You can't just rely on how you've been doing business. And of course, the taxes are more, the teams and the departments also grow. It's not just your production that grows, also your team around, like the accountants, the marketers, your production team and all that. All those grow. At this point, you're not even the one who's buying the fabric physically. You have to actually have someone who sources those for you. If possible, you're even buying them, importing them tax-free or something like that. It definitely needs a better structured business, so you can't just do it on a whim. You would have been in the industry for a while for you to have reached this level, or you hire the talents that can help you scale this level, which is not easy. It's always good to just know how your business is running from the beginning to the end, and then hire the talent to take up the roles you've been doing. Yeah, so that's it for this one. On to the next one.